Hello devs, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about conditional rendering in reactjs. So this is my react component. I imported my component in my app file. So let's go to our components. So this is my component. This is my live server. So let's take a number. Let's number is equal to let's take 10. So if my number is greater than 0, it is a positive number. Otherwise, it is a negative number. So 10 is a positive number and it is greater than 0. So let's display whether my given number is a positive or negative number. Okay, if my number is greater than or equal to 0, I am rendering that's in ptech. It's a positive. uh, Otherwise, return uh, it's a negative. Okay, so you can remove this return and you can see it gives a positive number. Because my number is a positive number, uh, let's make it negative number, minus 10. So you can see it's a negative number. So this is how you can render conditionally in reactjs. So without these two return statements, we can also use a teritory operator. So let's remove this piece of code and return function. So this is my number. So you can also uh, render conditionally using territory operator. And if you want to use territory operator, your logic must be wrapped in curly braces. So my number, same logic. If my number is greater than or equal to 0, so if my number is greater than or equal to 0, I'm simply opening ptag and it's a positive number. Else uh, it's a negative number. Okay, so this is how you can simply write a retrieval operator in reactjs. Okay, let's see our code. This is a negative number because 10 is minus 10. So let's make it positive and you can see it's positive. So let's make some changes in my p tag. Class name, this gives text to green, and if negative, let's change it to text to red. Okay, it's positive. So if I take a minus number, let's say is 45, and you can see it's a negative number. So this is called a territory operator in reactjs. Without using if else statement, you can pass question mark if condition is true, and this is else part, this column. I hope you got the concept. Okay.